Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to open a password if your phone is password locked on a OnePlus. All OnePlus phones, any password pattern you forget, you can use this method to erase your phone and to unlock it. Please note that everything will be deleted and you won't be able to recover anything once everything is deleted. You shut the phone down and you press the power down, the volume down button and the power button together like this, and you wait. You're gonna see this, and you just keep on holding it together until you see something, and then you can let go. And then here it's gonna ask you for a password again. So you forgot your password, you cannot remember it, right? Then you press forgot, and then so you will lose everything, music, pictures, etc. So please note that once you do this, you're gonna lose all of your information in your phone. So you press OK, and this cannot be undone. Remember, this cannot be undone. Just OK. As you see, it's in wiping data. Please wait. Do not remove battery or turn off your phone. So now you just wait until this process is complete, and then your phone will start brand new. Please guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe, and watch other videos on our channel.